If your alarm remote needs battery replacement, you could follow these simple steps. Our model is Honeywell 5804 security key fob. It's powered by two replaceable 3-volt CR2025 lithium batteries. They are expected to last 3 to 5 years. On some models, once the battery voltage drops to 2.3 volts, a low battery message will display on your keypad when attempting to use it. So once it's determined that the replacement is needed, unscrew the backside of the key fob by using a small Phillips head screwdriver or a small knife. Then gently separate the lid by prying it. If using a knife, carefully use the dull side so not to damage the lid. Once opened, carefully slide a small flathead screwdriver underneath the batteries to pop them out. After removing the old batteries, it's recommended to wait 1 full minute before installing the new ones. Insert the new facing the same way as the old ones. On this 5804 model, the positive is facing down. After double checking the batteries are facing the proper way and firmly positioned, reassemble the fob back cover by popping it back into place. And screw the cover back down, and then go test it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you along the way, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. See the description for links of tools and materials used in this video, and you all have a great day.